Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever. Well, as I said, I'll be able to only be here like when I would have time from my studies. So this video I'm gonna review this new trendies mini makeup palette. So it's a really from the looks of it, you can tell seriously it's luxurious type of. Let's get started. So by the way, this is for my sisters and mine, so we will share it. So here, my sister will be helping me
Hello everyone, my name is Ayun.
to do all of my testings for the makeup on her hands. So let's get started. First, remove your hand. Now let's open this thing up. And I'm sorry if the camera's movie and does not have a good view because, well, I'm using my hand to record today. Anyway, so we have a camera, and here is my hand, which apparently I can see from the side. So here we've got, with a cover. So yeah, and it's my second time seeing this, so I know a bit about it. I think these are the eyeshadows, and these are the lip glosses. We have a lot of lip glosses in here. uh, Sorry for the noise. And here, yeah, I know how to open it. Yeah, so here we've got some blushes for different color of skin, and some compact powder. So we've also got brushes, so let's test these out. Here is my testy hand. Come closer, please. Yeah. Now, sorry for that. Well, let's start with our eyeshadow. So which color do we do? I think I want to try this one first, since it's a vibrant color. And let's see, sorry for the zoom problem. Let's see how it works. Well, ooh, that's real dark, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's a little too much on my brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the blue. Let's try the darker blue. And ooh, so it's kind of like a black, more of a black. And since my sister's saying a purple, lilac, here is the purple, really pastel in color. So these are pretty dark actually. Now let's try out our eyeshadows. Lipstick. Sorry for the mistake. Now, just a minute. Let me take out the color of the lipstick. Okay, so I had a tough fight with the lipstick remover, and lipstick putting on. Well, let's try out with the lighter shades first. So put your palm like this, please. Yeah. So the lip gloss is, that's pretty light, you guys. It's like a lip balm. So let's try a darker type of color. Yeah, it's still pretty light. Let's use a super dark color, you guys, this one. So let's try it out. Okay, I can see it kind of. Yeah, you can see it, but it's not that dark. So don't worry if you don't like dark colors, because it's okay. And at last, we're gonna try out, well, not last, let's try out the foundation first. The compact powder. So it's pretty light color. Let's try it over, yeah, on the other hand. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see. Okay, you can see it. So it's kind of really light, so you can't see it on my sister's skin. It's probably for light people, made for light people. Anyways, let's check out some pink blush. Oh my gosh, I spilled a lot. Oh my gosh. Show me your other hand. Since the light's not coming that well on that side. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you from another angle because it's not working. Plus my sister got angry on me and moved the whole thing around. So it's pretty late, but I think you can see it, you guys. So yeah, as I said, it's pretty light. And about the powder, let's apply it using this. Oh my gosh, okay, that's really white, you guys. I actually used the brush to take out and it's all messy now. I've got to clean it all up. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video of my makeup kit and ruining it. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Stay creative and stay sweet. Bye bye.